going to be talking about the Google Gemini app for Windows. I've been using this app for like almost 2 months now, and it's still kind of in beta mode, but it's official out. I'll show you how to get it, and I'll show you the pros of it, because I feel like it's very useful to everyone who uses a Windows computer in their workplace or wherever. This can be useful in case maybe you are struggling to figure out something. I'll show you what to do, and yeah. So this is the application right here. It's a floating application, as you can see. This is how you download this application. So you come here, open your browser, you go to your Google, you come to this symbol right here that looks like something from a science lab. It says labs here. You come here, then you scroll down, it says new experiments here, download app, Google app for Windows. As you can see right here, download this application. Then it's a very small application, as you can see, it's about 12 megabytes. Then you just open it and install it. As you can see, it's installing right now. I'm just installing on top of my application that I already have. But yeah, okay, let's just wait until it installs. So it has installed, as you can see. If you're not logged in, you're going to have to log in. So this is how you open it. It says Alt plus space. So let's minimize this. Let me close this. So when I close it here, it disappears from the taskbar right here, as you can see. However, you can still access it from here, from this corner right here, from the up right here, this icon here. If you click it, it's going to appear like this. So yeah, basically that's how you get it. Or you can click Alt plus space here. So if I close it and I do Alt and space, of course you're supposed to be on Windows to actually get this application. On Mac, it's a whole other system. There's Gemini for Mac in Mac. So yeah, basically you can now do whatever Google Gemini does. You can ask questions. As you can see, you can get your answers right here. It's floating. You can also move this application wherever you want it to be. And you can search for stuff in your computer. Let's say I want to search for this application written to add. So let me say to add. As you can see, it appears right here, and I can simply click on it and it's going to open. So this is where this application shines. Let's say I don't know anything about Word. I don't know how to make this text board right here. Let's say I don't know how to do it. And traditionally, this is how you would do it, right? You go to maybe your Gemini or ChatGPT, then you upload a file here. You take a screenshot. This is how to do it. I don't know if people actually do this. I'll take a screenshot on the snipping tool like this. Then ask Gemini and paste it right here and ask Gemini, how do I make the top text bold? All right, then yeah, it's a kind of a 3-step. It's actually way easier for me than most people. So it's going to tell me click and drag mouse over text, click bold button. So it's just telling me what to do here, right? And I just do like this. Just tell me what to do if I follow the instructions, right? But here is how the Google Gemini application shines. Okay, so this is where this application actually shines, right? Instead of me going to the browser back and forth, screenshotting and uploading the screenshot and telling it my problems, I can simply just come here. First of all, I can simply take the screenshot from here and just drag like this, and I don't need to paste that screenshot where on that place, and I can simply just type here and tell my problem, help me do what. But besides this, I can literally share the screen. It can literally follow me step by step as I'm doing it. So I can share screen here. If I share screen, I'm sharing the whole entire screen, my secondary and my primary screen right here. But in this case, I just want to share this Word document only. So it's just going to share whatever is on the Word document, not the entire screen. So I'm going to share like this and ask it, how do I make the title bold? As you can see, it's just going to tell me the steps. So I'm just going to do it here. I'm just going to pretend as if I followed the steps and ask it, is this correct? Yes, it's perfectly correct and what. So yeah, basically you can do everything and ask it for confirmation if you've done the right thing. And I can literally just ask the next question: how do I make the paragraph italic. Then it's just going to walk me through how I can make the paragraph italic, highlight the text. Is that correct? Yes, it's correct. As you can see, so basically this application is amazing because this is just an example of what you can do, but to be honest, on Windows you can be stuck on something else that you don't know about, that you've never heard. You can be on command prompt and you're stuck, you don't know what the next code to do. Basically, you can just come here, share command prompt, and it's going to walk you through whatever you're supposed to paste, the commands that you're supposed to place there, and it makes things way easily. I just did a Word document just to demonstrate how you can actually use it in real world examples. So yeah, basically this application is amazing. So if you want to close it, you need to actually come here and quit to actually fully close it. It actually starts up when your computer starts up. And if you don't want it to actually start up on startup, you can just come here where it says, you can come to task manager, then you go where it says startup applications, then you can search for it here, Google XEX, then you can disable. So whenever you start your computer, it's not going to automatically launch. But if you installed it, you probably need it on your everyday to day basis. So yeah, basically it's an application that I've been using for like 2 months, and I feel like maybe it could be useful to other people out there in the world that don't know about it, because a lot of people encounter problems in computers, and I feel that this might be the perfect application to solve their problems every day, other than just calling me. Because if you call me, I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to go to ChatGPT or Gemini and search for your problems. If you found this video very useful, please don't forget to subscribe and just comment on the comment section below if you've got any questions. Yeah, cheers, bye, take care.